Hey everyone, it is me, Omega Matchbox, and we are going to review on 3 Matchbox cars. Let's review this yellow, gold, black and white stripe 1994 Chevy Caprice. His classic police. With front, we have no detail, pan to side with fire MBX County, rear, driver side, and roof with sirens. With police sirens, and the code says S35. That's the code. Let's review this Matchbox. Hux 2015 Ram 1500 with red, white, and gold stripe. With front, we have bull bar, black bull bar, and gray grille. Pan to side with MBX County Fire Investigations Team. Rear, driver side, and roof with police sirens. And the code says S35. That's the code. Let's review this new casting for 2023. Is 2004 Mazda RX-8. With front, we have no detail, pan to side, rear, driver side, and roof. The code says S30. That's the code. Okay? Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my diecast channel. And thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next diecast video.